Hi, we're Mallory and Savannah. We are two best friends that have a DIY blog called Classy Clutter. We truly believe that if you can dream it, you can do it. So here is some of our DIY meets design. Hi, I'm Savannah from the blog Classy Clutter, and welcome to my kitchen. For our kitchen, we went with white shaker cabinets, white appliances, and a white farmhouse sink so that everything just seamlessly flowed together. In my last kitchen, I had an LK prep sink and I loved everything about it. We love LK. We love the company as a whole and we love their products. When I was selecting my sink for this kitchen, I knew I wanted three things. I wanted a farmhouse sink, I wanted it to be white, and I also wanted a double bowl. And that is exactly what I got with the Fire Clay farmhouse sink from LK. I love the sleek look of this sink, and I also love how deep the bowl is. With 4 kids under the age of 10, we wanted to make sure that everything in our kitchen was very kid-friendly and would stand the test of time. When it came to my sink, it was actually the very first thing that I picked out for my kitchen. When it came to our custom range hood, we really wanted it to be a big statement, and we went with a DIY gold detail trim. My little guy loves to snack, and I love that inside this fridge, all of his snacks are very easy to reach. We are loving our 36-inch gas range with 6 burners. I have loved this accent tile for such a long time, and around the pot filler was a perfect space for it. When we were designing the kitchen layout, I really wanted everything to function and everything to be really easy to get to and for it to function perfectly for our family. And I think we accomplished just that. I love our island and that we were able to fit 7 bar stools that will fit our entire family, and it's a perfect space for entertaining. The countertops, we went with a Delaterra quartz in the color Nucrera. Our kitchen is the center of our house and is definitely the most used space. I love that the countertops look like marble, but they do not have the maintenance like marble does. We love our white refrigerator that has tons of storage to feed our family of 6. We went with some floating shelves so that I can display some of my pretty dishes. We did oversized gold pendants to go above the island. For the backsplash, we did 6 by 12 inch polished marble tiles. As a fun accent, we went with these brass sconces for over the window and sink. For the flooring, we went with an engineered hardwood. I love that the hardwood brings a little bit of warmth to the space. For the hardware, we went with some knobs and some bars in an antique gold finish. We finish off the space with some beautiful bar stools from our classy Clutter collection. We love our new kitchen and we are excited to create all kinds of memories in this new space. Be sure to check out classyclutter.net for more projects, inspiration, and tips. See you next time. Bye!